What's up guys, this is Robles Jr. and in this video I'm going to be unboxing a package I got from shopgoodwill.com. I won an awesome auction on their website. It was for a lot of Marvel minifigures and Heroclix. So let's get started here with this awesome unboxing. I've waited 4 days for delivery, so I'm very eager to get this going. So I guess this is the receipt or the packing slip. So I paid a total of $47.99. I paid, my bid was $31 on the lot of Marvel Heroclix figurines, and shipping was $14.99. So a total of $47.99. Okay, so let's get this going here. This. Okay, there's that. Looks like there's nothing else in the box. So we can go. Alright, so you can go ahead. Alright, so here is the actual bag. And before I open this, I'm going to move the camera closer so we have a better look at the figures because they are very small. Alright, so the camera is at a better angle position for us to continue this unboxing. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this purchase. Okay. Okay. Now we can put this knife away. Cool, very cool. So right now I'm going to move the camera once again. Okay. Alright, so we can now look at the small figures, including this awesome lot. Let's take a look at this big one here. Oh, they are very dusty. This is Trigon. This is Trigon. I've never seen this character before. I have never played this game. This game is, what is this game called? I'm not sure, but I've never played this game with the small figures before, and I know there are a few rare ones, but we'll see here. Nice, we got Robin here. So I guess I'll just spread them out as I go. So there's Robin. This is pretty cool. This is Kronos. And we got Baron Zemo. That's his name. You know what? I'm not gonna name every single figure. I'm just gonna show you what's in here. And the ones I do know, I'm gonna set them over here. The ones I don't know, I'm just gonna set them aside. This is a very interesting lot. Very happy, very glad that I won this. There's a lot of dust. These look really cool, man. I do have a bunch of them like this, but they aren't Marvel or DC. They're a different kind. Forgot what they were called. Oh yeah, Paladin. Wow, these are super cool. Look at this guy. Supernova. There's Wonder Girl. Whoops, I am totally out of the frame. I don't know who that is. There's some very weird characters. Super dusty. Whoops. There's a bunch of dust on these guys. There's a guy, there's a battery. I don't know what this is. A piece of chip. It's disgusting. I don't know who the hell that guy is. Dark side. Go. Whoa, look at that gentleman ghost. There's another one of those guys, one of those characters. Another paladin. So this was a very interesting lot. Not a lot of people bid on this. Wow, look at that. She has great nips. And that ass. Just kidding. Oh, we got Bishop. What? Oops, I'm so out of the frame. Sorry, guys. Bishop. X-Men. Oh my god. If I could have more X-Men, that would be amazing. What? There's Marvel Girl. There's what the Mento. So there's a whole bunch of them. Here's Deathstroke. Nice. There's a Red Skull here. Look at that, Spider-Woman. Oh, look at this dude. This is Omega Red. This is gonna be a pretty long video because there's so many figures in this this collection. I'm so glad I won this. Oh my god! It's freaking Nightwing. What? Damn, that's so awesome, yo. Wow. Nightwing is like one of my favorite characters of all time. He's so cool. He's the original Robin. Oh my, this is just so amazing. Colossus! What? Look at this. Oh my god. This is so sick. Oh man, these just keep getting better and better. If I can get Superman, that would be amazing. Here's Supergirl. Man, these are just awesome little figures. I'm not sure how much these things go for, but I could imagine $3 to $5 each. Maybe some of them are super rare ones and they go for a little more money. I'm not sure. I have to do some research because I've never played this little game before. It's very interesting. I just love the little figures. They're very small and just like they're just very awesome. They're just so cool, man. Makes me want to start getting all my figures back out and putting them out on display again. Look at this guy, Tharok. Here's another one of those guys. Oh, look at this dude. Wow. This is Zax. This is a pretty big figure, man. This guy must be worth something. Not that I'm gonna sell it, but you know, knowing that I bought this for 37 bucks and some of these go for a lot of money would just be amazing. Oh, look at this Shang-Chi. Looks like Liu Kang or Bruce Lee. Let's see, we got Mary Marvel. Interesting. Mary Marvel. I want to raise the camera here a little bit. Just bear with me. Oops. Just so that when I'm pulling them out, you guys have a better look. Here's Red Arrow. There's just a ton of these guys, man. If I could get Batman and Superman, that'd be so wicked. Deathlock. Huh. Oops. What is this? This, I don't know who that is. There's the lady with the nips again. Oh, I thought this was Xavier. Damn, that'd have been cool. Oops. That'd have been too cool. Whoa, Phantom Lady, look at that. It transitions from like invisible to like her natural color. Amazing. Whoa, look at this guy. This is Creeper. So at the end of the video, I'm going to display actually all of them, so you guys have an idea of what was in this collection. But I'm going to start seeing what Aqualad. Cool. Whoa, look at this guy. It's like an angel. Alright, let's see if we can pull some of the guys we know. There's actually another bag. This is an unopened bag. Oh, we got Batman. Huge Batman. Whoa, look at this one. This is Nightwing and Starfire. Whoa. Let's see here. We can pull. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this Nightcrawler. Damn, that looks so awesome, dude. This is amazing. I'm so, oh look, the Thing. Fantastic Four. I'm just so glad I won this, man. This is just the Karate Kid. This is just absolute amazing stuff here. Oh, this is X-23. I'm just so hyped right now about this. Maybe for some of you, you guys have a bunch of these and really don't. But it's just like something common. Whoa, it's Gambit. It's effing Gambit on top of a Sentinel arm. That is just, look at that with the cards. Oh my god. Well, to me, this is just amazing. This is just an awesome I'm so, oh, Captain Boomerang. I'm so happy right now. You have no idea. Good way to start the weekend here. We got Merlin. I don't know who the hell that is. We got a big-headed Hector Hammond. I don't know who that is either. Keep pulling them out. This is Hawk and Dove. That's my cell phone going off there. Oh, I thought this was Batman, but it's Black Hand. Whoa, look at this guy. This is Owl Man. Owl Man. Ice. Or I have no idea. Or maybe you guys can give me some pointers or some information on some of these things, because I don't know what's going on here. I don't know how to play this game, and maybe you guys can tell me some of the pricing on some of these guys. But I know for sure that this was an awesome buy. Whoa, look at this one. This is Firehawk. This is Will, Magnus, and Platinum. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, this is a lady. Whoa, this is cool. Let's see if we can find any more X-Men. Oh, there's the oh, here's the other part. Wow, this is just sick. Look at that. It's Mr. Fantastic. I can't wait to watch the new Fantastic Four movie. They're rebooting it. Most people don't like the idea, but I'm just glad they're putting something out there. Hopefully they can revive that small franchise. This is just Ghost. Oh, the Juggernaut! It's the Juggernaut, man. Oh my. What? This is just so amazing. I still have another bag to go. Looks like the rest of these small pieces. I got most of the big guys out. This is Con Artist. I don't know what that means. Who that is? Let's see. Oh, there's little pogs. Well, Heroclix. Oh, so that's what they're called, huh? Heroclix. I've never seen these before in the stores. Maybe I have, but I just really never paid attention to it. But I will start collecting these now. Now that this is a good start to a collection, don't you guys think? I will start collecting these and do unboxings and stuff like that for Heroclix. I think that's gonna be a new start to this channel, and I'm glad. You know, like I said again and again, I'm just so happy I won this super crazy lot for $37. And I can't imagine how much these are worth, brand new each. Must be something. Looking for anyone else I know. Yeah, looks like I have a few minutes left on the camera. Let's see what we can find in here. So just remove the. I can't. I'm gonna move the camera over here. We have space. I did not just see Silver Surfer just fall out. Did I just see Silver Surfer fall out of there? Did I just see Silver Surfer fall out of there? Yes, I did. Oh my. Who the hell is this guy? Oh, I know who he is. I forgot his name though. Who else is in this mixture? What the hell? This is so insane. Iceman. That has to be Iceman. That is Iceman. Look at this dude. What? Alright guys, so there's the entire shot of the Heroclix lot, and I wanted to show you guys the price here. So there it is, lot of Marvel Heroscape figurines, $31. So please let me know in the comments below if this was a good buy, and I'm gonna start over here with the figures that are missing bases. The bases are actually here, but I just need to figure out who they belong to and properly place them on their little stands. And most of these are very dusty, very dirty, and I plan on cleaning all of them a little bit, not too much, but maybe get a air can and just spray off the dust. So these are all the figures that are missing their little stands. I'll head back down. I think these are just amazing little figures. I honestly never knew about these, like this type. Like I didn't know they made Marvel and DC. Like I'm gonna start collecting these now. And I mean, I do have figures very similar to this, but I don't know where they came from. They're like animals and not animals, but they're like creatures, monsters, werewolves and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm very happy that I won this sweet little lot. And this is the beginning of my collection. And I'm actually gonna go tomorrow to the store and see if I can buy a few and look out for them, because I honestly, like I said before, I didn't know these existed for the DC universe and Marvel universe. So that's just super cool. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please let me know in the comments below what you think of this awesome find. So if you guys have any questions, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and take care.